The Supreme Court has expressed concern over the introduction of a third language in class 9 under the CBSE curriculum, saying it could place additional academic pressure on students. Instead, the court suggested that if a third language is to be introduced, it should begin in class 5 or class 6 when students are better able to adapt to a new subject. The observations were made on July 16th by a bench comprising Justices B.V. Nagaratna and R. Mahadevan while hearing a petition filed by the Tamil Nadu government. The state has challenged a Madras High Court directive asking it to facilitate the establishment of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas in every district of Tamil Nadu. During the hearing, the bench orally advised the centre against introducing a third language in class 9. Justice B.V. Nagaratna observed that students at this stage already face significant academic pressure, adding that the stress begins from class 8. She said introducing a new language at this level would unnecessarily increase the burden on students. Justice Nagaratna told the council appearing for the Centre Union of India, please don't introduce a third language in class 9. It would further increase the stress on students. If you want to introduce a new language, then do it in class 5 or class 6, but not in class 9. The Tamil Nadu government reiterated its long-standing opposition to the establishment of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas in the state, citing concerns over the three-language policy followed by these schools. During the proceedings, the state's council informed the court that Tamil Nadu's objection is specifically to the three-language policy. Although the case before the Supreme Court was not directly related to the CBSE's new language policy, the bench made important observations on the stage at which a third language should be introduced in schools. Justice Nagaratna also clarified that the three-language policy does not mandate Hindi as the third language, responding to concerns raised by the Tamil Nadu government. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.